Hello, this is Rubayat. Welcome to another tutorial from my Tutorville. In this tutorial, I will show you how to manually install WordPress in a web server. This is a three-part tutorial and this is the first part. Before we proceed, let me tell you about WordPress. WordPress is an open source content management system and it is free. You can use WordPress to create business website, online stores, personal blog, and other cool stuff. This is a very popular application. Why manual installation when most of the web hosting company offers to install WordPress as a part of their service package? As I mentioned earlier, WordPress is very popular and many businesses are using it. So, if you know a little bit more about WordPress, like how it works or make functional changes, you have an advantage. In this tutorial, I will show you step by step how to install WordPress in a web server. I'll be using a web server installed in a computer which will mimic an actual web server. To install WordPress, you need a web server that supports both MySQL database and PHP. WordPress is actually written in PHP and has a backend MySQL database. Apache is a web server software that supports both PHP and MySQL. Now, I'm not going to discuss how WordPress works with all of these. That is actually a topic for another tutorial. So this is our plan. First, we will select a web server. Then we will create database. And then we will collect WordPress software or application. And finally, we will install WordPress. To begin, please select the next tutorial, manually install WordPress, part 2 of 3 from the list. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Please subscribe our YouTube channel, My Tutorville, and stay in touch for more tutorials.